Mastering VLOOKUP. Imagine you have a massive table filled with employee data. Your task? Quickly find specific employee names and salaries using their ID numbers. That's where VLOOKUP comes in. It's a powerful function that helps you retrieve data from a table effortlessly. Let's learn step by step. Lookup chart value. The data you're searching for, like an employee ID. Table array. The range of data where your information is stored. Index.num. The column number from which to return the result. Range, sure lookup. False for an exact match. True for an approximate match. We'll use false. Now let's see it in action. First, type the VLOOKUP formula manually in the formula bar. Enter the lookup value, table array, index, num, and false for an exact match. And that's it. VLOOKUP instantly finds the data for you. No need to scroll through rows manually. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.